So the first foldable table that we have here is this one from Lakhow. So having used other tables before, I personally prefer a black finish compared to a white finish from like the one over there. So it's essentially a 34-inch foldable table. There really is nothing special to it aside from number one. I feel like this is going to get a lot less dirtier visibly compared to a white table. So if that's something that matters to you, then by all means, check this one out. And the reason why I mentioned that is because we have an old white table where we always need to buy like some sort of kind of like a picnic mat to place over it just because that white table gets so dirty over time. Now, with a black table like this, I feel like dirt is a lot less visible. So you won't always need to buy like an oversheet to hang on top of this table here, just because it looks presentable as is. Now, with this table though, that I want to show you, the fold up is pretty easy. So if we look underneath the table, you essentially have a handle which makes it easy to carry around. So this right here is the handle that sticks out once you're done with it. And so all four legs do just fold in. But I guess the thing that I'm not a big fan about is that you do need to pull these legs out and place them in like this, or else it's not going to fold in. So if you go ahead and push it in, each leg, the tubing actually does come out so that you could actually fold the legs in. The legs are not expandable, so it is a pretty much fixed size, just like that. And so all four legs do need to come out. It's not the most hassle-free thing to do, but with other foldable tables, I don't need to pull these tubes out and place them in like this. But it only takes a couple minutes. But because technically you have more key pieces to deal with, I mean, all four legs do come off. So just make sure you don't lose them and make sure that they're securely locked into place. Now I'm going to use gloves for this portion. All four legs are simply just going to fold in. So this side folds in, locks into place. Likewise with the other side, it's just going to fold in and locks into place. Now this does have a safety feature, which is this little red knob here that's going to prevent it from folding inward. So you just need to push this down so that it actually folds in, and there you have it. You have an easygoing table that's now foldable with a handle. And me personally, I do prefer the black finish just because of the dirty reasons that I mentioned earlier. But let's go ahead and move on to the next table.